Good morning, dear students. Today we will have a look on our the remaining topic of please and kindly. Before yesterday, we started imperative sentence. Means how to make passive voice from imperative sentence, and we had read two types of imperative sentence. First, we first, and second, do not. How to make passive voice from we first and do not. About them we have learnt, and now today we will see how to make passive voice from please and please or kindly and let. Then look at this topic. First of all, please or kindly. There are two formulas to make passive voice from please or kindly. Number one, start the passive voice with you are requested to. Listen. Start the passive voice with you are requested to. And rule number second, and now remove please or kindly. Law number 3, and now write the same remaining sentence. Example, please stand with country. Please stand with country. Then we have to remove please, and in place of please we have to write you are requested to, and after the sentence we have to write the same. The answer is made you are requested to stand with country. And like this, example number 2, kindly grant me my TC. You are requested to is to be put on kindly, and answer is made you are requested to grant me my TC. Look at second type. सेकेंड टाइप को बनाने के लिए मेक न्यू सब्जेक्ट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू राइट मेक न्यू सब्जेक्ट एंड यूज मॉडल मे. आफ्टर देन यूज मॉडल मे, एंड आफ्टर इट put please or kindly. After then put please or kindly after, just after may, and then put be. After may put be and then we third, and at the end of the sentence extra. Then formula is made, subject plus may plus please or kindly plus be plus we third plus extra. For example, please give me your pen. Please give me your pen. Answer is made I may please be given your pen. Me is object. We have to make me subject. तो me को subject बनाया I may please be given your pen. If you want to make your pen subject, want to make to subject of your pen, then answer is made your pen may please be given to me. Your pen may please be given to me. Like this, kindly issue me his application. Answer, I may kindly be issued his application. If you want to make to subject of his application, then answer is made his application may kindly be issued to me. And like this, from these examples you have learnt very well, I hope. And look at on the first type, passive voice let. How to make passive voice from let? Formula, start with let. We have to make passive voice स्टार्ट विद लेट. लेट के सेंटेंस को लेट से ही शुरू करना है. एंड पुट नाउ न्यू सब्जेक्ट एंड देन पुट बी एंड नाउ द एंड पुट वी थर्ड देन पुट बाई एंड नाउ द रिमेनिंग प्रोनाउन ऑब्जेक्ट. व्हाट प्रोनाउन ऑब्जेक्ट? विच इज written just after let. That pronoun is written as object just after by in passive voice. The answer, the formula is made let new subject plus be plus v third plus by plus pronoun object. For example, let me ask a question. Active voice started with let, then passive voice also will be started with let. The answer is made let a question be asked by me. What answer is made? Let a question be asked by me. And I hope you will understand very well from all types of examples and rules. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. See you.